Hello everyone and welcome back again to another video in Bavco. So today we'll be looking at removing duplicates from data. Okay, when it comes to duplicate is one thing we should always consider when it comes to working with data, especially large amounts of data. So what we want to do is we have to make sure that all these data are unique, right, and there are no repetitions within the data. Now in this video we are going to look at a very quick and effective way that we can go about with it. So in this video we are looking at student data, right? Student data. So this data generated by AI. I'm going to use it for our study today. Now in this data we can see we have students names, we have index numbers, their email, and their various scores that they had in three subjects, so in economics, financial reporting, and statistics, right? Now we know that mostly when it comes to students, or when it comes to index numbers, they are unique to every student. Okay, so in such a data, the first thing you have to make sure is to access the data or go through the data and make sure that there are no repetitions or the index numbers are unique to every student. So now let's go straight into today's lesson. Now when it comes to removing duplicates, now we can see that tab under the data tab under the review. So you have data over here, and I think in our previous video we're still beneath the data tools. So today also we go under the data tools and we have several of them. So far we've looked at flash fill and data validation. So today we go to removing duplicates. So when you come over here, you can see remove duplicates. Alright, then you can click on it, then we get the remove duplicate dialog box. Right, now in this instance we want to focus on the index numbers, right? So I can select all and take the index numbers, right? Then after everything I just hit OK. Right, so we can see that we get a message over here. So 557 duplicate values found and removed, right? And 443 values remain. Note that the count may include empty cell space, etc. So you can see that there were 557 duplicates, right, in our data, and all these have been removed. So we just hit OK, right, and we are good to go. Alright, but first of all, let's first check the total number before to have undone the action we just did. So you can see that from here we have, alright, so we have 1,000 entries. Okay, we have 1,000 entries. Alright, so let's go back and apply our move duplicate. Now first, in the first instance that we did, we went to data, then we went to another data tools and went to move duplicates. Now in this instance we are going to the keyboard shortcut Alt AM. Right, so Alt AM gives us the remove duplicate dialog box and wants to focus on the index numbers, right, because that's the unique number of every student. So we just hit on that one and we go to OK. Alright, so 557 duplicates found and removed. So OK, so now we can go ahead and check, and we can see that our data has reduced, or the number of rows has reduced 443. Alright, so that's how we remove duplicates within the data. Alright, so thank you very much for today. Have a nice day.